What you're about to watch is the day my 2016 Indian Scout arrived from Copart. It arrived from Texas, so I won the bid. I think it was mid-December, and it arrived here in early January. It took like 10 days to get here. I wasn't in a big hurry. I'll cover all the costs associated with Copart and all that into another video. This was just the first day it arrived. I replaced the battery. I got it running. I was super happy about that. Um, the cause for the auction is listed as flood damage, but I honestly can't find anything really so far. I've got the tank off and the air filters and stuff off now. Haven't really found anything major yet. A lot of rust. From what I hear from a lot of people, it rusts on everyone's bike, not just on this bike. Things like the brake rotor bolts. There's a bunch of other bolts that are just rusted, so I'm just going to replace all of those. I've also heard from a number of people that, flood damage, the air filter itself, if the bike was submerged, you'd be able to see it. There's nothing there. It looks, really clean. It's a white filter, so it looked really clean, never been wet. So I think I might have got lucky on this purchase. Please enjoy and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Okay, the driver just dropped it off. I should have taken some video of that because he doesn't know anything about motorcycles. So that's the truck they delivered on, and the bike was basically strapped onto the back of that load. So these are just piecemeal. So here's the bike, and I'm getting ready to start it for the first time. Who knows how long this gas has been sitting in here. Oh, the battery's looking good. Nope, battery dead. Thank you. Okay, GoPro battery died. I moved the bike up a little bit. I swapped out the battery that was in it with the battery from my other Indian. So here we go, first time. Put the key in, see what happens. Well, that's a good sign. 2875 miles. 3 miles on the trip. 39. All right, well, I didn't see any error codes. Let's try turning on the fuel. That's good. The bike's sat a long time. I like to charge it at least twice. Try that again. I notice it doesn't know what gear it's in. Let's see here. I don't know what gear it's in. So I don't know if it's going to let me start. Let me try to mount the GoPro and see if it'll let me start with the clutch in. There we go. Now it thinks it's in neutral. See how this works. Got her started. So in this video, I verified the charging system was working. I verified the radiator, the thermostat, make sure that it actually got all the way up to operating temperature and the fans kicked on and it cooled back down. The other Indian Scout 60 that I'm working on right now had that problem, the radiator. So I am already really familiar with what to do. If that was the case with this one's actually fine. I am going to change the coolant because who knows when the last person did it, and this is a 2016, so it could potentially be 6 years old. Who knows? So I might as well do that. I'm taking it all apart now. When this arrived, I was working on the 2018 Scout 60 that I have. That's actually almost done now that I'm recording this. So now I'm just getting onto this bike. So so far so good. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.